Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Curve. In this tutorial series, I will be discussing about Android application development using Kotlin. Here we will be discussing about how to enable some special features with your mobile application. So as our first tutorial, today we will be creating bottom navigation view from scratch. I will be using Android Studio throughout this tutorial. First of all, we have to create a new project. So go to File, go to New, select New Project. So in here you can see bottom navigation activity. But let's assume if you are in the middle stage of your application development, this bottom navigation activity automatically creates lots of files and directories that will directly change all of your file directory. So it's better to know how to develop bottom navigation activity from scratch. So I will select empty activity, then select new. Then let's give a project name. I will give project name as navigation view project. So make sure to select Kotlin as language. Then click on finish. So now you can see our project is successfully built. First of all, to enable the bottom navigation activity, we have to include a dependency in our Gradle file. So go to Gradle scripts, then go to Gradle build Gradle file, and in the last line I will be adding material gradle. So I add the dependency. This is the dependency that we need to implement the bottom navigation activity. So then we have to create the menu with the items. So I want to create 3 items in my navigation activity. So I'll create a new directory called menu. Inside the menu directory, I'll create a new menu resource file called menu. I will paste the code to reduce the time. So in here, I will add 3 items in my navigation view. So view 1, view 2 and view 3. After that, what we need to do is we have to go to the activity main.xml file in order to enable the bottom navigation view. So we have to include the bottom navigation view here. So you can see I called the created menu with its items and I use a background color. So you can use any color and you can add them in your colors file, colors.xml file. You can add any colors. You can have your colors in hexadecimal format here. Then we need 3 fragment layouts to navigate from the bottom navigation view. So what we need to do is we have to create 3 fragments. So go to new, go to fragment. There we can have blank fragments. So make sure to uncheck these 2 fields and you can give your fragment name. I'll give them as fragment 1. So this is our second fragment. Make sure to uncheck these 2 fields. And then the last fragment. So now we have 3 fragments in order to navigate from the bottom navigation view. So then what we need to do is we have to include the logic inside the main activity. What we need to do is once user click on the item in the bottom navigation menu, we have to navigate to the correct fragment. So I'll include the code here. We need this replace fragment method to navigate to the correct fragment. So this fragment container is the ID that we have to give it to the our main activity, this ID, and then what we need to do is we have to listen to the user selected item. Then we need this on navigation item selected listener method, and inside there we will take the view ID. The view IDs are here. It's related with the items in the item ID field. So according to the user selected item ID, it will replace the fragment. So that's all about the implementation, I think. So then what we need to do is I want to customize my text views. In here we have text views in our fragments. So I want to have text view 1 and text view 2, text view 3 here. The view 1, view 2 and view 3 in my fragment 1, 2 and 3. So I'll add the text views here. This is the view 1. You can see view 1. Then view 2 in our second fragment. Then view 3 in our third fragment. And after that, make sure to call this method on navigation item selected listener method inside this on create method of our main activity. So I'll call the method. This bottom nav is our bottom navigation layout ID. So in here our activity main file, we can see the ID we have given to the bottom navigation view. So that ID, with that ID we can call that method. So that's all about the implementation. Then we can run our project and see how it's running. So you can select the emulator, then you can run the project. Yeah, so it's working fine. You can see once we select the items from the bottom navigation view, it will navigate to the correct views. So that's all about our first tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the update videos. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye. See you soon.